Now we will see how we can empty an array. So we have been given an array named as array data with some value in it. Now I want to empty this particular array. So firstly what I can do, I can reassign the array data with empty array value. Secondly, I can write array data dot length is equal to 0. So the length will become 0 and all the elements will be definitely removed. The third method is I can simply write array data dot splice and then I can pass 0 comma array data dot length. As we already know, splice method is used to remove an array by specifying two parameters. First one is the index of the starting point from where I want to delete. And second parameter is the count of how many elements you want to delete. So this way array_data.splice will remove all the elements from an array. Then we can also use the while loop until or unless the array data dot length is having some value other than 0. We will pop the elements from it. So in this way we can empty an array. Let's see an example for this in browser. Here we have been given an array with value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, and I want to empty this. So the simplest way I can do is ARR is equal to empty array. So this is the reassignment, and due to this all the array elements are removed because we are just emptying our array using reassignment. Now if I will see ARR, it is empty. The next way how we can do is that we will first of all declare an array again. Then I will do ARR dot length is equal to 0. So due to this all the elements are arrayed because the length is now trimmed to 0. So if I will see ARR, it will give me an empty array. Now we will see the third method to remove an array or empty an array. So we have an array like this. So as in our previous video tutorial, I have already told you that we can remove an element using ARR.splice. Okay, now I will pass 0 comma. The first parameter is specifying from which index you are talking about, and then the count item, how many items you want to delete. So I will simply write ARR length. So from 0th index to 5 item, like according to this example. So if I will do something like this and I will see an ARR, like so it will be totally empty. So we have one another way to delete all the elements. So first of all we have let ARR is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can use the while loop also. What I will do, ARR dot length, until we have some value in ARR dot length, what we will do, we will pop out the value from it. ARR dot pop. Okay, like this. Now if I will see what is value of ARR, it is totally empty. Thank you very much for now. We'll see all other interesting facts about an array in our next video tutorial.